doing, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. We are over in Negros Occidental. We're in a little place. We're out in the middle of nowhere. A place called Mandayao Falls. It's a big waterfall. I don't know if it's big or not, but it's a waterfall. They got a big resort right here behind us. It looks like a very nice little area up here, high in the mountains. I tell you what, it is very cool right here. We're in the shadows of Canlaon Mountain. Oh, look at that right there, guys. Canlaon Mountain, way up there in the cloud. You can't hardly see it right now, but all that's the volcano right there, and it is active. It is active. We was at this little town asking for directions where this place was, and you could actually feel earthquake. We felt a tremor. It was getting with it for a minute. Yeah, I don't know how far we got to go here, but somewhere down here there's a waterfall. Oh, there's Agnes. It seems like every one of these waterfalls, you got to walk down a bunch of steps. Oh my goodness. That's the story of my life, all these steps. Uh-huh. What'd you find? Guys, I hear something. I hear water. I hear water running. I'm making sure. Oh, I see a nice water down there. Blue looking water. She'll never make it. Wow. Okay. Careful.
Oh, there's a...
I'm cruising on. I'm going on. You gonna rest? No, you go ahead. Rest. I'm going. Come on. I'm waiting. Well, I hear people down there. Well, look at that. It's way down there. Yeah, I tell you what, these steps up here in the mountains are going to be the death of me. Of course, I'm pretty good exercise. I went for my walk this morning in Taliesin. I didn't know if we was going to be able to go today, because we weren't going to go up in a blinding rainstorm. My God, there's a lot of steps. I see water. Now, they hadn't had a whole lot of rain up here, I don't believe. Well, they got a little water coming out. Now, I bet you this is a natural spring. This is all spring water. Because it's coming out of a volcano. Oh wow, look at that. Kind of slippery, guys. A little on the slippery side. Yeah, I hear kids up there swimming. Go up here on the high side. Look, kids diving. Oh no. Agnes falling behind. I don't know where she's at. Hello. Yeah, this is definitely coming off the volcano, Mount Canlaon. That guy, look at him. He's hanging on. Oh no. Uh-oh, we got a little girl up there now. She's hanging in there. That is a nice little swimming hole. Yeah. Lord. He dove off all the steep. Yeah, they got a restaurant up top. They got a resort with swimming pool. They have actually 2 restaurants, I do believe, and looks like they're building another one. Good morning. How you doing? You guys are on YouTube. Huh? You're on YouTube.
Cold. The water is very cold.
Bug now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bug now.
Bug now.
Yeah. You know the water is 11 feet. So you can enjoy.
Yeah.
Swimming.
I'm looking for my wife. I don't know what happened to her.
You need a picture?
Huh?
Picture.
Looks nice.
I'm okay. Hey, jump to.
All right. All right. We'll film you. Go. Oh, here comes my wife. She's slowly making it.
Your wife?
Yeah. Yeah, we live in Himalato,
Where do you come from?
America.
Yeah. America, the people in America is very nice.
Yeah, we do a lot of blogging on waterfalls. We like doing the blogging.
Huh?
We like blogging lots of waterfalls.
Good.
We did one in Valencia called Casaroro. Very high up. Has about 4 times that amount of water coming down.
Yeah.
Big. Look, honey. Got Mama Mary over there. It's nice. Where is he? What's he gonna do? He's gonna fall. He just. All right. All right. He just jumped off a second ago. Yeah. They're all gonna jump. Looks like. Yeah, guys, this is a nice little place up here in the mountains. Canlaon Mountain, or Canlaon Volcano, straight up there. Straight up there. That's probably pretty slippery there, you know it? All the kids walking back and forth over that, getting it all wet. Somebody could fall and really hurt themselves. You gonna get up there and jump, honey? Huh? Honey, you gonna go jump? Yeah, guys, if you're up here taking the highway out of Canlaon going towards the west, southwest, be sure and stop in this place. It's kind of hard to spot. You got to know exactly where it is, or go to Google Maps and you could pinpoint it that way. That's what we did. At first we had a hard time trying to find it, but once we got going and we found some Wi-Fi signal, we actually we pinpoint it. I mean, you can tell exactly where we was and where we had to go, because if we didn't know, it was very hard to see, very hard to tell. Agnes doing her thing, selfies. Wow, look, there's another water. There's water coming down all over there. You see that? Water coming over there, water coming down over there, water coming down over here. My God, they got lots. They got springs coming everywhere, right here in this little funnel. Oh my God. She's gonna fall and hurt herself. Dangerous, very dangerous. She better jump where she's at, because she's gonna hurt herself. There she goes. But yeah, they got tables and it looks like a life preserver. Not much of a waterfall down below, but looking up, this would be a great place to swim. Honey, you gonna go swimming? You're not? Huh? Oh my God, she jumped. She's brave. I don't know how she got up there. Look how muddy that is. All the kids walking up there. Look at all the bamboo up there. Yeah, you're way down in this big old valley here. Got straight up there. It's a nice area, honey. It's like a good swimming area. Huh? No, they're not scared. They probably live here. They probably swim here every day. What's across the bridge? I want to see what's across the bridge here. Hold on, we'll be back. They got a bridge over here. You know, the other day I walked down the steps going down there to this beach. My legs have not recovered as of yet, so I'm still struggling. Yeah, they got a nice little bridge here. I wonder where this goes. Agnes hates bridges. Boy, it looks like this water really gets to flowing at times. Look at that. Yeah, I bet you this heavy rain, I bet you this thing gets with it. Those look like a bunch of people's houses there. Hello. How you doing? Good morning. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, guys. God, I wish we was more prepared. We weren't prepared to go swimming today. We was just gonna go do a couple blogs and a couple different waterfalls. And right now, I'm not sure how to get to the other one because there's no roads to the next waterfall. I don't know how the heck we're gonna get to it. We're gonna have to figure that out once we get over there, if we can. But what a beautiful place. And this water smells like clean water. You know, I was up by a volcano up by Valencia, and it's all sulfur. It smells real sulfury. Okay guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to our channel. We cannot do it without your assistance. Now be sure to give us a thumbs up for our videos, and we will definitely catch you guys on the very next video. Peace out.